Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Gmail app. And in today's video, I will show you how to stop receiving emails from a contact, block them, unsubscribe, and stop getting their email into your Gmail box without any stress. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gmail app. After you open up your Gmail app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this three slider. Then go ahead and make sure you scroll down right here. And then go ahead and click on manage subscriptions. There we go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and take a look at a particular email that you want to block. Like for instance, this particular mail right here, make QR code first. For instance, I'm going to use this particular email right here. So for that, go ahead and click on this icon. And this is going to pump up right here. Go ahead and click on block instead. Once you block them, this particular contact will no longer be sending you email straight to your inbox. Lastly, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. Then go ahead and click on manage your Google account. Then go ahead and click on security and sign in. Then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to your connection to third-party app and service. Click on see all connections. Then go ahead and make sure you review and look at the website or app name right here. So here we go. This is the app right here. So go ahead and click on it. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on delete all connection. And go ahead and hit on confirm. You are no longer connected to QRFY. You can connect to QRFY again at any point in time. Click on here to close this tab. It's that simple. With that, you will stop getting the mails from your inbox, spam, and every other folder in your Gmail app. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.